rusty wood, a crack in the form. Trim off the excess and it's restored with paint and brush. We start anew, bringing life with you so true. A little paint, hollows black, spooky cat. Oh, pumpkin cat, we're bringing you to life with every brush stroke. Here's your life, emerald eyes and gold so keen, a soulful gaze, a vivid scene. But you're too cute to ever be mean. Our precious, perfect pumpkin cat queen. Up, 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 up. Black and dark, a midnight gleam reflected in a painted dream. Shades of bronze for fur so soft, a masterpiece we've lifted aloft. Then for her eyes a mystical hue, emerald green, a piercing view with flecks of gold, a cosmic shine, a look that feels almost divine. They said she'd see right through your soul, a fearsome stare taking its toll. We gave her whiskers fine and long, a few too many, so we had to pull some. But her little smile so sweet and pure, gentle charm we can't ignore. No scary vibes, no chilling fright, just pure adorable delight. Oh, pumpkin cat, we're bringing you to life with every brush stroke. Take care of your night lives, emerald eyes and gold so keen, a soulful gaze, a vivid scene. But you're too cute to ever be mean. Our precious, perfect